Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here. In this video, I'm going to discuss about our Google Sheet and a weekly update today. So weekly positional and monthly positional and intraday sheet would be there in this Google Sheet. It is works like an option scanner and weekly and monthly positional, which works based on the positional concept, that is advanced option strategy. And intraday sheet is worked based on the Camarilla R4 level. The option itself, the Camarilla R4 breakout, that would be filtered in this particular sheet as a scanner. We can find out this for an intraday opportunity for our short-term trades. And the monthly positional, it's for a positional one for a 30 days maximum, and weekly is about to 5 days. And today I'm going to update the weekly sheet and monthly sheet. As of now, last week we are looking for some stocks which given you opportunity, but some of the stock like MRF and JK Cement may be not liquid one. So we had Biocon, Adani Port, Godrej Properties, and Gujarat Gas that was working well. And the stock which is not working is about GNFC. So that was given you our positional opportunity, and also it triggered our stop loss too. So as per our positional concept and the monthly based positional, so this much of stocks given entry. Some of the stock which is more than 10%, or some of them are 30%, and one stock like Biocon which is moving more than 50%. In this case, GNFC is the stock which triggers a stop loss for this month of January as of now. The only one stock which I seen that got triggered our stop loss, and the strike price in GNFC 750 call option, 76.3 is our entry. As of now, it is trading around 35. So which triggers our entry point, and then it triggers our stop loss too. So let me check that GNFC 750 call option. As a positional entry, that is giving you the opportunity at the day around the 1st of January, almost to 77. So it is slightly higher than our entry point. That is triggers around 145. That is a normal entry. It is not about gap up or gap down entries. It is a normal entry. After that, it came down to 50. Again, bounces back to 76 yesterday and day before yesterday. And yesterday's trading session, it's completely moving down and it is settled around 35. So that means this is a stock which triggers our monthly positional strategy stop loss. But if you are using at this point, so naked trade, maybe it triggers your stop at this point if you are taking, and maybe your stop loss got triggered. But if you are using a 2.1, 3.2, or some other hedging strategies which you have learned on our session, so maybe it will be protected somewhat. So that is the main reason which you are planning with that advanced option strategy. So what I'm going to do in this video, I'm going to update the sheet for monthly, sorry, weekly and intraday for next week. So the next week which has started from second week of January 8th to 12th. So if you are looking for a weekly sheet, so Monday, Tuesday, you can look for a positional opportunity. And Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, if you are finding any opportunities, you may be trying as an intraday only. So not to take a positional basis, because the sheet, weekly sheet, the concept is every week it is going to be changed. Its strike price and the entry price, everything would be changed every week. So this current week data would not be will not be available for next week. So only for the weekly purpose which you have created, and it is works based on our concept. And you can also apply your trading strategies. Maybe you are using some system. So what are the stock which is trading in the top? So you may be going to focus that one. So that is going to give you some opportunity by using this sheet. And monthly is entirely working good, but last week is the first week of the month and the first week, so both the data should be same. Or you are looking for a weekly as well as monthly, both should be the same data. But this is the second week, so weekly data is going to be changed, and intraday it always daily changing. And yesterday's details, so we are seeing that, so a lot of stocks in the call side as well as put side. So if you are using this intraday sheet, the one concept which you are going to apply is you need to take intraday after 9:30, because it is a very short breakout or a very quick breakout. Most of the time if the market open gap high or gap low, so many stocks which we triggered. So you simply ignore those stocks which is triggered 9:30. After that, so from this list HAL 2900, let me show, it works based on the Cambrilla, right? So we need to add a pivot, and you can go to settings and you can change it as an cambrilla. So I need only four levels. So I need two levels, R3, S3, R3, and S4, R4. So maybe simply we can mention this R3 and R4, maybe like this. So what I'm looking for are for breakout stocks, which I'm looking for a breakout opportunity. So let me slightly higher. So this we are working on it and we find out that in a Google sheet. So instead of checking all the stocks, so we are simply finding out the list of stock HAL 2900, HAL 2900 is the strike price. You look at this, this is the stock which is opened above the first 15 minutes candle itself. The R4 level is 147, but the stock is opened nearby 179 and it jumps towards 181, 244. But I'm not looking for this because the level is very, very narrow. So, but it has started and opened greater than the higher level of R4. So that is also be available in this list, but we need to wait and the stock which breaks the level, then only we can plan for example, Apollo Tire 450 call option. And I'm just looking for this when it is break. So you can look at this, the Apollo Tire, which is breaks on the level only around 10 o'clock. So if you are looking at a 5-minute chart, when it is first time it breaks is around 10 o'clock 5 minutes at the 10 o'clock to 10:05. So that is the time which is triggers and immediate after the breakout from 18 it went up to 23. This is the trade which we are looking for. If any stock which triggers in the first 15 minutes, simply ignore that and we need to work out on this. From for example after 9:30 we can look at the stock which is trading below 100. That would be an opportunity for our positional ones. And one more thing is to be find out with this and topmost stocks also you can look for any chart based entry or even method you can apply for that also. Top list of stocks like L&T, Balakrishna, Nakuri. But if you are looking for an option trade, you need to confirm that this options have been liquid. If the liquidity doesn't work, okay, so monthly and weekly position. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to update the weekly sheet now and daily sheet. So that is going to updated for tomorrow, Monday, 8th, it is 8th January 2024. So by using this particular sheet, we are finding for our positional opportunity very quick way, right? So the sheet is monthly subscription basis. If you wish, you can take from my side and you can WhatsApp me the number which shown on this video. You will be getting to access this sheet. And it is works based on the my positional trading concept, the weekly and monthly, and intraday works based on the Cambrilla R4 that I have already shared you. So here it is working based on to this week, and we find out one stop loss trade that is GNFC that triggers, and then it directly triggers our stop. It's not moving yet anymore, and it perfectly triggers a stop. But edging trades, you know well. So those who are attending my classes, you know well the edging trade what we are using. If you are applying that aging rate, it may be reduce your risk. And anyone who are watching my student who are watching this one, so you can let me know how that edging will protect you. So you can work out on GNFC and you can let me update how this edging will protect you. So if you are a naked trade, it may be triggered your stop loss. But if you are using edging kind of thing, how it just reduces your risk. So why we are doing that edging is to reduce or minimize the risk and how it is reduced. You can do the practice and let me know. And what is there last time? I'm just updating the sheet right now. If you have any other questions and doubt, you just ping me on my WhatsApp number. So let me go to run the sheet. It is going to be update only weekly and monthly sheets, and intraday. Sorry, monthly should be seen for till end of the January, and we are looking for weekly and month daily updates at this moment. And the strike prices for weekly that would be changed, and we will be getting the new list of stocks from all 183 F1 stocks with the new strike prices and new entry prices. So just I'm just trying to update this in the live the video itself. So let me wait. Now it is changing. That update is I think started. We should wait for this for update and the newer strike prices. Yeah, perfectly. We got the update in the new strike prices. Like this is the weekly, so which is entirely changing. Previously the strike price may be vary and the current strike price. So previous when Apollo Tire 450 call option which you are looking, but in this week we are looking for a 460. So the strike price also changed and the entry price and LTP also be changed according to this current LTP, and only new opportunities which you are going to focus for this month of this week of second week of January, and monthly positional still remaining same, and in intraday sheet some of the stocks which is trading 100 before opening itself. So these are all the stocks sure illiquid. Simply ignore the stock. If you even came into the scanner, you can ignore it because these are all illiquid, 100% illiquid. So I will show you that MCX 3140. I'll show that MCX 3140 is the strike price. You can see there is no trade at all, and 5th January there is no trade at all. So that is called a liquidity issue, and you can randomly check a sale 117, that is in ban period I think. So we can't able to do the trade and sale. So you can look at this, there is no trade. So that why? Because of having no activity. So that is why it is always showing you the 100. So these are all the stocks you can market and you can avoid and tomorrow's trade to watch it. Even GNFC also right now it is not an active. Okay, so illiquid stocks, this is what a main reason. So why we are avoiding that illiquid ones, because illiquid always not good for an option trading, and even it's not good for an intraday trading too. So I hope you understood. The sheet is updated for the um, second week of January and also for intraday tomorrow. And monthly is still same. So these are all the opportunity which is triggered. Let me check how it is happening. We know that last month we have a huge number of stocks, and this month also we hoping so a lot of stocks having more IVs. So maybe the chances for moving expected movement should be high. So we can look forward to that also. So thank you for watching, and this is what an update for our Google Sheet. And thank you for your subscribing my channel, and thank you so much for being with me. And thank you. And don't forget to like button and share to your friends. And if you not subscribed yet, kindly subscribe the channel. Thank you.